Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. This is your girl, Miss Capella. Please pardon my cracked voice, but this message is very important. I need to pass it out to the public. So this goes out to the women. I'm sure that today you will not like this video because it is directed to you. This goes out to the married women who are out there to be a thorn in their husband's flesh, who has been a terror in an innocent man's life. God sends you a man after his heart that you should appreciate and treasure. That you should be the peace that the man would have. That you should be able to complete that man, be a plus to that man. You will not become a problem to the man. He that findeth a man, findeth a wife, findeth a good thing, and obtaineth favor from God. The question is, are you a favor from God or a curse to the man? God did not send you to be with a man to be a problem to that man, or to be a nightmare to that man, to be the reason why that man does not enjoy coming home because you are violent. Because the truth is, whatever we talk about men, there are women who do exactly the same. So some of you are violent, very stubborn, a pain. Every night, there are men who cry in silence just because of this thing in quotes saying, do not bring a third party in your home. So that's why most men are always reserved. They don't like talking. So that's why they die of BP, die of depression. Please, if you are suffering in this kind of marriage, if you know that you're in this thing called marriage and your own is worse and you're receiving touch of violence from this lady, leave that home. This is a public announcement. Leave the home. You will not be the only man who has been divorced, and you will not be the last person. Forget about what the world has to say. You should be in charge of your happiness. Happiness is free of charge. It shouldn't be bought. So do not give your happiness to anybody. Own it. So if you know that your home is no longer accommodating, that you cannot find peace, before you die, my friend, leave. Forget it. Forget about what the world would say. No, they will only come and eat rice on your burial day. No, I don't die. Your own is gone. So move out before you die. Because some women are terror themselves. Some of the men that God sent to you, they have come out of bad past, out of a nightmare. So they come to you hoping that you're going to, give them the peace that they desire, hoping that you're going to comfort them, accommodate them, and love them unconditionally, and fill up those gaps that they've lost. Rather, you're even worse than the people that they're running from. This is why most men are running from the word called marriage. So if God has been so fair to you, gives you a man, why not appreciate that person? A man who makes you a topmost priority. So why are you a thorn on that man's flesh? Why don't you want to give peace a chance? Why don't you want to build your home? Some of you are just answering woman. You don't even know your roles as a woman. You don't know that you're supposed to be building your home. Do you think a house can stand under one pillar? No. It takes two to tango. So by the time you mix it, you give rooms for adversaries. So please, women, know your duties. Stop being a terror to a man, a God-sent man to you. God sends a man after his heart, a man that will treasure you. You are becoming a problem. I beg you with everything you hold dear to. Ask yourself, what spirit is guiding me? Because if the Holy Spirit is leading you, truly, you would be doing the right thing. But if another spirit is guiding you, then you will be a problem. This is why most men cannot endure it. They tend to slap their wife, or, it results into beating. Just to keep you back on check. Set your brain back to factory setting. Because some of you need Akike before you know that this man is a man. So you need to really come back home. Know your responsibilities as a woman. Be a builder, not a destroyer. He who has ears, let him hear. Treasure it. There are women out there, 1,001 women out there who are looking for just one person. You have been gifted with one and you're toiling with the opportunity. Be careful before what you have turns to what you had. A word is enough. Don't be keeping companies that will destroy your home. Some of you have bad set of people who will tell you how to live your life, how that man, they think that the man is using you, whereas reverse is the case. Talk you out of your home. Then when you come out, they will be the same people that will sit down and mock you. So be careful the company you keep. Who is that person that is telling you that guy is into the mumu? He's too weak. When a man is too good to you, you tend to call him weak. Because it's just being free, open, selfless. You call him weak. Be careful. The company you keep, those your friends, be careful. before they talk you out of your marriage. Any man that God has sent to you who makes you a priority, appreciate that person before you lose the opportunity. I love you. God bless you.